Hey guys, today I'll be showing you this very popular Indo-Chinese preparation, that is triple Schezwan fried rice, which is a combination of some noodles, some rice, spicy gravy and fried noodles, which is a complete recipe in itself. This is quite filling, and though this recipe requires a little preparation, yet the end result is truly satisfying and comforting. So let's get on to the recipe. To prepare this lovely recipe, here I've got 1 cup of rice which I've pre-boiled until 75% done. You don't have to overcook the rice and make it mushy, as the rice needs to be separated for this recipe. So this is how it looks. Next, I have also got half a cup of boiled noodles, which is also almost cooked. So for this also I have boiled the noodles with some salt in it until it is 75% done, and once that is done, I have strained it and I have poured some cold water over it, and then I have drizzled some oil over it so that it stays separate. You can see this is how it looks. Keep both the things aside. So whenever you're making triple Schezwan fried rice, you need to have these two things pre-boiled. Next, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, followed by 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Fry these just for about 15 to 20 seconds or until its rawness goes away. Next, we are going to add the spring onion whites. So here I've used 3 stalks of spring onion whites, and I've also kept the greens separate for garnishing. If you want, you can also use the regular onions for this. Cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it becomes slightly transparent and tender. Once that is done, we are going to add all the vegetables. So in goes some carrots. Next, I'm adding some capsicums, some shredded cabbage, and cook all of these on high flame just for about 2 minutes, because Chinese cooking is done on high flame. But do not overcook the vegetables. Let it be still crunchy. I don't want to make the vegetables very soggy. Once that is done, after 2 minutes, I'm going to add all the sauces. So here I'm adding some salt first, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce or ketchup, and then I'm using 2 to 3 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. So this is fresh homemade Schezwan sauce, for which you can refer to one of my video. I'll give you the link in the description box below, you can check it. Mix all the sauces really well along with the vegetables and cook for about a minute so that all the flavors of the sauces and vegetables are well combined with each other. So this base is ready. You can see the sauces and the vegetables base is ready. To this, I'm going to add in the pre-cooked rice first, followed by the pre-boiled noodles, and cook this over medium flame just for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can also adjust some salt at this point of time. So keep mixing with all the vegetables, the noodles and the rice. So while doing this, the rice and the noodles will also get fully cooked. Make sure not to overcook this and break the noodles. So keep mixing it gently, and once you see that all the gravy, that is the sauces, the vegetables, the rice and the noodles, are nicely combined with each other, switch off the flame at this point of time. Do not overcook it and make it mushy and break the noodles or the rice. This is done. I'm going to keep this aside. So this is our base which is ready, and we are going to keep this aside and we'll start preparing the gravy. So for this, I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a wok. Next to this, I'm going to add chopped ginger, followed by 2 teaspoons of garlic. Fry this just for about 30 to 40 seconds, and again followed by spring onion whites, followed by all the vegetables. So here I'm using finely chopped cabbage first, some finely chopped carrots and the capsicum. Cook all the vegetables on high flame just for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then lower the flame, and I'm going to add all the sauces to it. So in goes some tomato sauce. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. Also add in very little salt as desired, and mix everything really well and let it cook just for a minute. So while it's cooking over medium flame, here I've got this bowl with 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch, to which I'm going to add 1 cup of water to make cornstarch slurry out of it. Make sure it's free from any kind of lumps. This will help in thickening the sauce. So this is ready. I'm going to add this cornstarch slurry to the vegetable mixture and mix it really well and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes continuously and let it come to a good boil, and then keep it on medium flame and boil for another 2 more minutes, or until you see that gravy starts to become thick. Once it is getting cooked, you can see the gravy is becoming little darker and thickening up. So this is how we want. If you want, you can adjust some salt and pepper here and add some more water to adjust its consistency. But do not make it very thin. Let it be on little thicker side, then only you will be able to enjoy with some rice and noodles. So this is how it looks. Look at this consistency. This is the perfect consistency we are looking for. Now comes the turn for plating. So for this you need to take a plate, put the noodles and rice at the bottom as a base. You can see how beautiful this rice and noodles are looking. They are quite separated. So just put more or less how much ever you want, and then I'm going to top it up with the prepared gravy. You can see how nice the gravy is looking. That's how it's served in any restaurant. And if you don't want to put the gravy on top, you can simply serve the gravy along with it on the side in a bowl. And then I'm going to sprinkle some spring onion greens and some fried noodles on top. And that's how it's served in any restaurants. So you also try this lovely Indo-Chinese recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. And if you found my recipe helpful, do like the video, subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your lovely friends. I'll see you soon in my another video. Till then, take good care. Bye-bye.